8th class student, exercise 4A. Question number 1, fourth part. Fourth part is 60 cube. 60 into 3. Write the 3 times. After multiply 30 with 36 and into 36. 216 with 30. First question, all part do this type. Question number 2 is same is fourth part is 0.05 cube is equal to, write the 3 times 0.05, 0.05 and 0.05. After multiply is 25, 5 that 125. Point is cube of 0.05 is 0.000 with 125. Question number 2, all part do this type. Question number 3 is first part is 4/7 cube. Write the 3 times 4/7 into 4/7. After multiply 64/7, 7 and 7 343. All part. Question number 4th part. Question number 3, 4th part. Fourth part is question are mixed fraction. At first, remove the mixed, change into improper. 10 1 10 plus 3 13/10 whole cube. 13 into 10 into 13/10 into 13/10. After multiply is 1 with 30 and 169. Multiply by 13. 7 2 250. 9 6 1 7 9 2 1. 2197 upon 1000. Question number 3 is complete. Question number 4. Question number 4 is first part is 125. Do the factor 5 into 5 into 5. Make the pair is will be 3 same. Complete the pair. Number is a perfect cube. Complete the pair, not rest the any factor, then you write the perfect cube. Second question, second part. Second part is 2, 4, 3. Do the factor. Factor will be, should be prime factor. 3 8 ja 1 ja 27, 9 ja 3 ja 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make the pair with 3, not another pair. This number is not a perfect cube. Why not complete the pair of 3? Second part, third part is 343. 43 will be factor 7 into 7 into 7. Make the pair, complete the pair. So this number is a perfect cube. Third part is complete. Fifth part is. Fourth part, all part 8,000. 8,000 factor will be this type. 8,000 divided by 2. 2,000, 2 divided by 100. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 2 1 2 25 1 2 5 5 divided by 25. 5 5 ja 25. Factor are 2 into 2. First pair is complete. Second pair is 2 into 2 into 2 and 5 into 5 into 5. All pair the complete. So this number is a perfect cube. Sixth part is 9,261. Do the factor. Factor will be 9261. 3 divided by 3 3 ja 9. 0 3 8 ja and 7 ja. 3 1 ja 3. 29. 3 ja 3 3. 3 4 ja and 3 ja. 749. 7 is 7. Factor will be 3 into 3. Complete the pair and 7 into 7 into 7. Complete the pair. Number is a perfect square. Perfect cube. all part. You can do this type. Question number 5. 5 is find the first part is 1216 is equal to factor will be 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. Make the pair, write the index form 2 cube into 3 cube. Write in one bracket 2 into 3 is equal to 2 3 is 6. 6 power है 3. 6 is even number. Number is 8 is a even number cube. 6 is even. Write the 6. Second part is 7 to 9 equal, do the factor 3, 81, 27, 9, 3 into 3. 3 with 6 time. Make the pair, 2 pair is complete. Write the index form 3 cube into 3 cube. Write in one bracket 3 into 3. After multiply 3 3 is 9. 9 is odd number. It is not even number cube. Because 9 is odd number. Second part is complete. Fourth part is 3070. Do the factor, divide by 5. 5 6 जा 7 जा 5 जा 5 जा 3 3 3 जा. Factor will be 3 into 3 into 3. Complete the pair of 3 and 5 into 5. Complete the pair of 5. Write the index form 3 power 3 into 5 power 3. Write in one bracket 5 into 3 into 5. After multiply 3 and 5. 15 cube. 15 is, it is not, 15 is odd number. even number cube. Sixth question is, it is same. Sixth question, write the odd number. Sixth number is third part is 1728. Do the factor 1728. 8 जा 6 जा 4 जा 4 3 2 216 208 54 27 9 2 and 3 pair. Write the factor. First pair is complete, second 2 is complete, and 3 is complete. Write the index form. 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. Write in one bracket 2 into 2 into 3. After multiply 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. 12 is even number, but 6 question ask the odd number. It is not. Cube of odd number. Fourth part is sixth question, fourth part. Four 096. Do the factor 4096 divided by 2 20 48. 2 divided by 10 24. 2 divided by 5 12. 2 divided by 2 5 6. 2 divided by 1 2 8. 2 is 64. 2 is 32. 2 is 16. 8 ja 4 ja and 2 ja. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 times of 2. First pair is complete. Second pair complete. Third pair complete, and fourth. Write the power form. 2 into 2. Write the one bracket 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. After multiply 16. 16 cube. It is not perfect. It is not cube of odd number. Question number 7 8. Find the smallest number multiply by, so product is perfect cube. Question number 7 is, number is 1 3 2 3, do the factor 1 3 2 3, divide by 3, 3 4 जा 3 4 जा 3 1 जा, divide by 3, divide by 3, 7 7 जा, write the factor, 3 pair is complete, 7 pair is not complete. For the complete the pair, we must multiply the 7. So you write the multiply by 7 number, make a perfect cube. 7 question is complete. 8 question is number 2560 is equal to, write, do the factor 2560, divide by 5 जा 8 जा 2 जा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 5. 2 times is 9. Pair is complete. 2 into 2, second pair is complete. Third pair is complete, but 5 only we complete the pair. For the complete, we must be multiply 5 into 5, multiply by 5. You need the 25, 5 by 25, multiply by 25. Number, make a perfect cube. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9. Question number 9 is, must be divided. 9 or 10 question is divide. Number is 1600. Do the factor 1600 divide by 2 8 जा 2 जा 2 जा 2 जा 100, 2 जा 25, 5 and 5. Write the factor 2 into 2, complete the pair, 2 into 2, complete the pair, 5 into 5, not complete by, after complete the pair, rest is 25. So you write the divide by 25 number, make a perfect cube. After complete the pair, who rest the number factor cube. Question number 10 is this time number is 8788. Do the factor is divide by 2, 8, 7, 8 and 8. Divide by 2, 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 9 ja, 2 4 ja. 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja, 2 7 ja. After multiply is 13. 13, 1 ja 13. You can try the 13, 1 ja 13. 8, 9. 169. 169 and 3, 13 divided by 30. 2 into 2, not complete the pair. Complete pair is 13. Rest is 2 2 ja 4. So you write the divide by 4 number, make a perfect cube. 4A is complete. Thank you.